Alright, when we're finding perimeter, we just have to add the sides. So we're going to add this side, this. So just adding all these expressions together. So if I want to add all those up, I'm going to just I'm starting here at the top, and I'm just making my way around. Okay. Now the parentheses are there just to indicate that's a side. So this is one side plus another side plus another side. But the parentheses actually aren't needed at all. Okay. All they're doing is just separating the different expressions that represent side lengths. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the parentheses again because they're not needed. And then I'm going to regroup. I'm going to meaning by that I'm going to group the x's together and then the constants together. So when I do that, I'm going to get the 3x, the 3/5 x, the 1/10 x, the 2x, the x, and the 3x, and then all the numbers get grouped together. The -2, the -1, the -2 again, a +3, and a +5. And then I'm just going to combine the two groupings that are like. So over here, notice I've got all these numbers over here to the right. If I combine all those together, the -2 plus the -1 or -1, -2, +3, and +5, all those combine together to a 3. Okay, you can also see -2 minus 1 is -3. -2 more is -5, and that would cancel out with the +5 and then just leave you with the 3. Or you can just type them in and get the number. Now, if you have a scientific calculator, if fractions bother you, if you don't understand fractions, combine the coefficients with a scientific calculator that has a fraction button. Make sure your calculator you're using has a change it back to a fraction button and combine those. Alright, so you got 3 plus 3/5 plus 1/10. These are just the numbers in front of the x's. Plus 2 plus, there's a 1 in front of here even though there's not a number there, 1x, plus 3. Alright, and then I've got a button here underneath my math button that'll change this back into a fraction. So there's the 97/10. That's the number in front of x, is 97/10. So I end up with 97/10 x plus 3. And don't forget these numbers over here had an x, so you got to make sure to combine all those numbers together, but you also have that x that they have in common that you have to stick out beside it.